Hi everybody, it's 12:53 and 18 seconds on January 11th. This is the final mini for the Spider-Man 14 3.5. Over here are the 30 filled spots. Alright, now in this mini, whoever comes in first place will get the first 7 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 4 open spots available, and whoever comes in third place gets the final available spot. Alright? As soon as this is done and I fill in the spots, I will run the main immediately, and there's actually a good chance that I could stop by the post office this afternoon and get this book out in today's mail for the winner. But let's get this mini done first. Numbers 15, best of luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final one. 15, Barney Stars, Jacob Nixon, B Lane, congratulations. There's your 1, 2, 3. Time is 12:54.